guys, for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you the history of bartending. So first of all, I'm Joel V. Castillo Jr. from BSHM 3K. So, first of all, when does the history of bartending came from? History of bartending dates back to ancient times. The earliest records of people mixing drinks for others came from Mesopotamia, around 4,000 years ago. In ancient Greece and Rome, there were taverns and wine house where attendants serve alcoholic beverage. The modern concept of bartending began to take shape in the 19th century in the United States. The role of the bartending involved with the growth of cocktail culture, particularly during the Prohibition era, when bartenders had to create creativity with their drinks. The classical cocktail recipes we know today were developed during these periods, and bartending became more recognized as a skilled profession. Ang papel ng bartending o bartender ay nagsimula noong sinaunang kabiasnan. Ang pinakamaagang ebidensya ng bartending ay nagsimula sa sinaunang Mesopotamia, mga 4,000 taon BCE, kung saan ang karaniwan ng mga tavern at alehouse ang may maagang establishmento na ito ay pinamahalaan ng mga tagapangasiwa ng tavern na naghahain ng mga fermented o mga nahahalong inumin. Sa mga kilalang anyo na propesyon, maaring ang ika-19 na siglo nang nagsimulang maging formal ang bartending bilang isang propesyon. At isa dito si Jerry Thomas, na madalas na tinatawag na ama ng mixology, na nagsimula na sining at paggawa ng mga cocktail. Bartender ay isang masiglang propesyon sa buong mundo at kapansin-pansin na tinitingala na aktibidad sa ilang mga bansa katulad ng Estados Unidos, United Kingdom, Japan, and Spain. Ang purpose ng bartending sa ating society? Purpose of bartending in our society. Bartending, it serves several crucial roles in society. At its core, bartending is about hospitality and creating enjoyable memories and experience. Bartenders act as social facilitators, enhancing social interaction and making gatherings more enjoyable. Beyond serving drinks, they contribute to the atmosphere of a venue, often acting as entertainers and experts on beverage. Bartending also reflects cultural trends and innovation, providing a platform for creativity and experimentation with flavors. In many ways, bartenders help to define social norms and trends around drinking and socializing.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Shout down